Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to use LED keyboard on Infinix Note 30 and NFC device. Firstly, you have to make sure that you first get the application from Play Store. Okay, if you have been installed this application and then you can open it. Okay, you choose this option, tap OK, and then you can enable the LED keyboard here. Okay, you can choose LED keyboard, and then you can check it on here, and your LED keyboard was active on your device. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to use LED keyboard on Infinix Note 30 and NFC device. And this method you can also apply on Infinix Note 30 and Infinix Note 30 Pro device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget